Architectural design often becomes inefficient because of strict formats and isolated data. These barriers make collaboration harder and slow down progress. As new technologies change the industry and projects face limits in time and cost, there is still a lot of untapped potential in architectural design. GstarBIM reimagined the future of design. Built on 30 years of BIM expertise in the European market and extensive global user experience, GstarBIM is designed for full scenario workflows, integrating architectural, interior, and custom furniture design into a unified platform. It combines CAD-level precision with high-efficiency visualization, delivering a seamless and powerful design experience. Streamline fragmented workflows, reduce reliance on switching between multiple software tools, unlock a fully integrated, efficient design experience with a single platform. Compatible with 50+ formats, building smart certified lossless IFC data exchange, GstarBIM ensures data consistency across disciplines, improving collaboration efficiency and overall data accuracy. Automatically recognizes building components and converts 2D drawings into 3D BIM models in one step, streamlining the modeling process, significantly improving efficiency, and ensuring precise realization of design intent. Create complete design solutions with immersive workflows. Real-time visualization of lighting and material ensures alignment between design intent and final execution, every design exactly as envisioned. Flexible, high-end custom cabinetry and furniture design tools enable personalized solutions with ease. Automated bill of materials generation simplifies workflow, making customization smarter and more efficient. Advanced tiling tools support easy and flexible design changes, making it ideal to explore different design options and achieve the desired result with professional quality finishes. Associated 2D and 3D ensures instant synchronization between drawing and BIM model. Automatically generates dimensions and annotations, producing construction drawings directly from the model, eliminating manual drafting and enabling more efficient workflows. Automatically calculates quantities with real-time updates as designs change, eliminating manual errors. Customizable tables adapt to project needs, making cost control easier and more precise. Easy-to-use integrated rendering delivers high-quality, photorealistic results, seamlessly integrated with mainstream renderers, ensuring accurate visual output with no discrepancies between design and rendering. GstarBIM pushes beyond the limits of BIM design. Empower every creation. Reimagine the future of design, ignite new creativity.